Edo State Police Command don parade some suspects wey allegedly put hands for different criminal activities. Tok person for Edo State Police Command, Chidu Nwambuzo, tok say the force don record correct achievements for cultism, armed robbery, recovery of firearms and other crimes. The police tok person come break down how the force take arrest some suspects wey put fire for minibus and foundation of house.
Along Upper Ekenwa Road, Benin City, arrested the following suspects. 1. Samuel Izeko, age 42 years old. 2. Lucky Igbunoba, age 43 years old. 3. Izegbe Orege, age 45 years old. 4. Monday Ugege, age 57 years old, who attacked, robbed, and set ablaze a minibus, maliciously damaged the building foundation of one Wilson Unoma Uwade. During investigation, the following arms and ammunition were recovered from them. 1 quart to size locally made double barrel gun. 2 1 locally made revolver single barrel gun. 3 1 locally made single barrel gun. 4 2 live cartridges.
On top cultism matter, police come see chook mouth for how them take arrest some suspected cultists.
On the 7th of January 2023, at about 22:00 hours, operatives of the Command Anti-Cultism Unit, while conducting raid operations along Boundary Road, GRA, Benin City, for 4 secret cult activities, arrested 7 male suspects and recovered 1 jackknife and some substances suspected to be hard drug. Suspect made statements and confessed being members of a secret cult confraternity. The suspects are Gregson Nnabike, Ernest Uyi, Patrick Osage, Owas Festus, God's Power Osaze, Omoeka Favor Iyamu Augustine.
Still for cultism and illegal gathering, the command come yarn another arrest when them do.
On the 7th of January 2023, at about 13:45 hours, operatives of Command Anti-Kidnapping Unit received a distress call that cultists were holding a meeting at Supreme Bar located at Ogegoku Community in Ekenwa Axis, Benin City. Immediately, the police operatives stormed the scene, arrested 4 suspects, recovered NBM Constitution, aka, that is also known as Black Ass Confraternity, from them, while others escaped from the scene. The suspects arrested are Osazuwa Osakpolo Collins, Owan Christian Kokoma Ehigia Musa, Aishak Osage Eweka. These were the suspects arrested in this particular case.
For the train kidnap when shele for Egweben train station, police talk say them dey on top the matter and them don't get some achievements.
We want to say that the command is very, very much aware to protect every life and property in the state. We know that recently, just on the 7th of January 2023, a very ugly incident occurred where passengers of train at Igwebe were kidnapped from the train station. But I want to say here that something remarkable here is the prompt action by the police and other sister security agencies, working together in collaboration with state security network, local vigilance group, and hunters And that collaboration led to immediate rescue of 6 persons, and another victim, a woman, was rescued, and she has since been reunited with her family. As we are here, rescue operation is ongoing there. Bush combing operation is ongoing there. The officers and men of Edo State Police Command, other sister security agencies, are combing the bush to ensure the release of these victims unhurt and reunite them with their families.
A concern and another suspected kidnapping event when she left for Edo State.
As we are going about this kidnap incident at the rail station, the command received information of kidnapped victims through the divisional police officer, Eho, Division, Edo State, that he was informed by good Nigerians that 3 vehicles were sighted along Evoisi Egwaholo Road, and immediately immobilized his men and Edo State Security Network personnel, vigilance group, and hunters to the scene, only to discover the 3 vehicles without occupants inside. It was assumed or suspected that the occupants were kidnapped and taken to the bush. Effort is ongoing too in this particular case mentioned to ensure the release of the victims and the arrest of the perpetrators of this crime.
The matter can't change as the suspect can give their own account of what happened on the day of their arrest.
On getting there, we spent some time. As we were leaving, the police came and started shooting guns everywhere. They now took everybody along to the police station. Now they arrested the ladies and the men. The ladies now told them that it was just her birthday party. Her husband organized a birthday for her. They say it's a cultist party. What is cultism party there? With husband and wife. The next thing, on Sunday, they released those girls on bail. And we are still here. Now they are parading us. Yesterday, they wanted to parade us with guns, with some other criminals. As God will have it, their plan changed. They took us to court today. They said that tomorrow the court will sit. Their mind changed. Now we came back from court. Now they are doing this again. I don't know for what reason.
I was surprised to be here because on Saturday, one of our friends had a birthday. We birthday, that's when we were there at Image Guiding. And we're very surprised that the rush shot policemen were shooting guns there. They now rush us down. That's why we're here. But they say we are cultists. That's what they said. We are not cultists. We are not cultists. We are very surprised to be here. And they want to parade this yesterday with some guns. At the end of it, God should do it. At the end of it, they return those guns back. We don't know those people at all.
Another of the suspects, who described him case as human rights abuse, can't yarn how them take arrest him.
It's unfortunate that my arrest is one of those events of human rights abuses associated with policing in Nigeria. On the 7th, being Saturday, January 2023, I was invited by a friend to peruse a document for onward transmission to the Commissioner of Police. The content of that document was an application for lawful gathering, a copy of the registration of our organization, CAC copy, in that document, and a copy of the constitution of the organization. 5 minutes into sitting down with him, where he was playing Ludo game with his friends at Ekema Road by a bar, he was sitting there, 4 of them playing Ludo game. 5 minutes into sitting with him, we were swooped upon by police, taken away to the state headquarters, and I was asked to write a statement. 10 minutes into the introductory section of the statement, I was asked to stop, taken to my residence. My residence was turned upside, searched, and nothing was recovered. Nothing linking me to any criminal activity. It beats my imagination as I speak. I was brought back, completion of my statement, I was not released. Rather, I was thrown into the cell for 4 days like a common criminal. I want to seize this opportunity to appeal to the Special General of Police to look into the abuse of my fundamental human rights.
Omwaluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC, now your power. Not say I'm giving the politicians on election day.